how to change your message notification sound on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the text message notification sound on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. You will need to head over to your settings and then scroll down a bit and go to notifications. Now, scroll down and search for messages. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you need to go to the sound section. And here you will see various sounds. You can just tap on the sound, listen to the preview, and put a tick mark beside the sound of your choice. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.